I definitely do feel that Aishwarya is someone that was, you're so stressed because you hear so much about her, but she was so easy to work with. So I feel that she's one of the best persons that I've worked with so far. She's the superstar. You don't have to be dependent on a male co-star for a Deepika movie. The movie that is coming with Hrithik, her and Hrithik, I am beyond excited for that because I love Hrithik, I love Deepika.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh, and with me today I have Saisha, who's walking the red carpet for the first time, welcoming her on E Times. Hi,
Hello.
Saisha. How does it feel like walking the ramp for the first time? You made an announcement on your Instagram handle.
More than anything else, it's about getting out because of the pandemic. We've not really gone out. So, more than my first red carpet, it's in general the first red carpet right now. So, very excited for that.
Do you somewhere think that, this glamorous world somewhere has a lot of, expectations out of, humans out there, out of the people who are struggling and all? What are your thoughts on that?
I'll make it very simple. As Swapnil, it used to take me 10 minutes to get ready. As Aisha, it took me 3 hours to get ready. So, you can understand the amount of pressure that is put on women or women themselves put on themselves because they feel they need to look a certain way and only then they'll be confident. So that pressure is something that I'm definitely going to work on so that the world sort of understands that women can be free. They don't really need to put so much stress.
Talking about your own journey from Swapnil to Saisha, how that has been for you.
It's been life changing. I get up happy every day. I get up braver every day because this is a step which requires a lot of courage. And there are a lot of people in this country who probably don't come from privilege as I do. So if I can give them the confidence that if Saisha can do it, so can I, then I feel my bravery and my courage is nothing. So yes, each day has been amazing, but it's like I can't express it. I can't express it.
Do you somewhere feel we are also evolving in terms of Indians, how they look at people, how they look at transgenders, how they look at gay, how they look at homosexuals and all?
I've always felt India as a country is very underrated, especially Bombay. I feel we are so accepting. We go for talent, we go for people who are hardworking, and we go for pure honesty. And if someone's honest, then they're really accepted and open with an open heart. So I do feel that we underestimate our people, especially Bombay.
And as you said, like you take 3 hours to get ready. Do you prefer getting ready on your own?
I'm ready on my own today. I have not done my hair, my makeup, everything's been done by me, not no any help. Yep.
And tell us something about your outfit. It looks very good and glamorous you look.
I wanted to wear something there which is very comfortable. Of course, I'm wearing Saisha Shinde, but I wanted to be comfortable. I wanted the focus to be on the girls. This is about the girls today. Yes, it's my first red carpet, but I want to make sure that this event is for the girls. It's Liva Miss Diva, so I want to make sure the focus is on them.
What are you working on currently and what are your next projects you're working on?
A lot of things. Half of those I can't say, but my fall collection will come out soon, the couture line. I've finished costumes for Ponni Selvan, which is coming with Aishwarya, so all of that is done. I have 2 songs with Deepika coming up, so work is a lot, half of which I can't really talk about.
How has your experience been while working with Aishwarya Rai, for this project? She's coming after a very long time.
She's a dream to work with. This was my first time to work with her. She is so easy. Like, of course, she's extremely intelligent and she knows the craft. So she was giving me some guidance as well, and I learned a lot from her in this project. So I definitely do feel that Aishwarya is someone that was, you're so stressed because you hear so much about her, but she was so easy to work with. So I feel that she's one of the best persons that I've worked with so far.
And talking about Deepika Padukone, people really adore her, the way she has made her career over the years from being a part of the fashion world to being player and then now coming as an actress. What do you have to say about working with her?
Deepika is here to stay for a very long time. She, I think, about 2 years ago, sort of came into her own, and she's become more. She's the superstar. You don't have to be dependent on a male co-star for a Deepika movie, and also I feel the movie that is coming with Hrithik, her and Hrithik, I am beyond excited for that because I love Hrithik, I love Deepika, so I'd love to. I can't wait to see that project.
When you talk about all these glamorous ladies and the actors, being there in the Bollywood industry or in the glamour world, what about you yourself? Like, do you also want to be, a part of the glamour world? Of course, you're there already when it comes to fashion and all, but when it comes to acting and all like that.
I can't tell this. I would love to, but yeah, talks are on, but I can't talk much about it.
Okay, you have already got us excited. Thank you so much for your time and all the best. Thank you. Goodbye.